Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakli, and this is the Daily Brief. It's Friday today, and time for another wrap on deep tech developments. So let's get started. Mistral AI has introduced Mistral Code, a new enterprise-focused coding assistant designed to compete directly with GitHub Copilot. The tool offers on-premises deployment, data privacy, and customization for company codebases, TST technology noted in a blog post. Built on the open-source Continue project, it features role-based access, audit logs, and 24/7 support, supporting more than 80 programming languages. Mistral Code aims to address key concerns in enterprise AI adoption, particularly around security and seamless integration, according to the blog post. The 10th Hello Tomorrow Global Summit in Paris showcased 850 pioneering deep tech startups with NUMI, Spotless Materials, and PAP Cup winning top honors. The event highlighted breakthroughs in AI for drug formulation, carbon capture, and sustainable materials, while emphasizing the importance of global collaboration and strategic partnerships for scaling deep tech ventures. Here in India, Pixxel, a Bengaluru-based space tech startup, has secured its second Spark grant from the Ministry of Defence's iDEX initiative to develop advanced hyperspectral and mid-wave infrared payloads for the Indian Air Force. This funding under the iDEX DISC-8 Challenge 6.2 will help Pixxel deploy its optical engineering and satellite manufacturing expertise to deliver next-generation security-grade Earth observation technologies, enhancing India's airborne and space-based imaging capabilities, the company said in a press release. The grant builds on Pixxel's previous selection for miniaturized multi-payload satellites and underscores the government's growing confidence in indigenous innovation and Pixxel's technology stack in particular. Hyperbots secured $6.5 million in Series A funding to expand its AI-powered finance automation platform, according to a press release from the Indo-US startup. The company's agentic AI copilots handle complex accounting tasks, aiming to reduce manual work by up to 80% accurately, with a focus on fintech. Nilekan, non-executive chairman at India's second-largest IT services company Infosys and billionaire philanthropist, has committed a second multi-year grant to AI4Bharat, a research lab at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, building open-source AI models for Indian languages. Nilekan's support recognizes AI4Bharat's pivotal role in powering multilingual digital services across governance, finance, and agriculture, with its models adopted by platforms such as Bhashini and the Supreme Court's SOAS. The value of the grant was not specified in the press release, sent on behalf of Ekstep Foundation, the philanthropic unit of Nilekan and his wife Rohini, but multiple news reports peg his total commitment to AI4Bharat at 70 crore rupees. That probably means the second grant was for 34 crore rupees because the first grant in 2022 was for 36 crore rupees. Okay, so for those of you who might be interested, last week I brought you a roundup of noteworthy deep tech developments in India in 2025. And before I wrap up, here are some interesting findings from a broader survey of Indian startups. A study by Traction, a private markets intelligence provider, commissioned by RTP Global, an early-stage VC firm, highlights an increase in operator-led startups in India, with 238 former operators founding ventures from 2022 to 2024. These startups are outpacing peers by reaching seed funding faster, raising larger rounds, and securing more investor backing, especially in capital-intensive sectors such as fintech, energy, and logistics, according to a press release. In 2024, operator-led startups raised $101 million, a 243% jump from 2023, accounting for 11.5% of all such venture funding among startups in India. They also progressed to Series A at higher rates and command higher valuations, indicating operational experience gives founders a decisive edge. The trend reflects a shift in India's startup ecosystem, where founder expertise and execution are increasingly valued. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. If you'd like to support my work, all you have to do is follow this podcast. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders contributing to India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, do check out my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. You can also subscribe to my newsletter, India Tech Report, at hariarakli.substack.com if you'd like to get all of these in one place. I'm Hari Arakli. Thank you for listening.